And now the SERPs. So you know that they crawl, they index, and they rank every piece of information that they can find on the web, right? So SERPs. SERPs are search engine results pages. You are going to hear about search engine results pages now for the rest of your life. Why? Because they are important. So what is the SERP? Well, it's the information you get back when you put a query into Google. And a query is your keyword string, whatever you're searching for. So SERP stands for search engine results pages. It is one of the things we often talk about. So there are so many different types of SERPs now. And we're going to go into Google. We're going to look at a search engine results pages. So, but I'm going to go through it because imagine in your eyes, behind your eyes. So the top menu when you're searching Google, right? If you start looking around, there's a lot of different options. And I actually have found a secret free class from Google about how to become like a super searcher, which don't worry, I will share. But so the top menu, right? We have image search engine in there. We have shopping. We have video. We have more. We have tools. Search featured snippets. These are more and more important now. And we're going to see some rich snippets. And I'll show you what those are when we get onto the search engine results pages. We have things like recipes and videos and image carousels. It used to be 5 years ago that you didn't have any of that. You literally had the 10 spots on Google for text. Now we got local SEO, we got the map section, we have people also ask section, which is like accordion. We have the paid ads. Paid ads used to be at the top and the bottom and the side. They're no longer on the side, and these are text ads, right? We have Google My Business, which ends up on the right side of the page, which helps with zero-click attribution now, right? We can find the hours of a business. People also ask, we have related searches. All these things will help you in your SEO, as funny as that sounds, because if we know what the search engine results pages are doing, we can base what we do on it. Okay, so here's an example of local SEO, right? This 3 section that you see all the time that's under the maps when you search is called the snack pack, right? And then when you click on the more places, you end up on the map section, like you actually go into the map, which is Google is developing more and more. Now you can see on these 2 pages, I have a square image here where I have a link here, right? So remember, Google's always changing things, always testing things. So now it's your job to start to try to pay attention, right? And we're going to get deeper into the search engine results pages, and we're going to talk about intent. These are local intent. So local intent is when I type something like near me, or I geo-target, which is like typing in like, SEO Burnaby or something like that, right? Victoria SEO, right? So anything with geo-targeting is local SEO. There are 10 results on a page. So when I'm talking about meta descriptions, metadata, it's the title, the URL, and the description, right? So we do try to give Google this information. We do try to control it. Google has a right to change whatever it wants. So last year there was big hubbub because Google started changing the titles. So, you hire an SEO, spend a bunch of money, they do your titles and meta descriptions, and then Google changes your title thinking. So basically Google would just show, you can see this is SEO, digital marketing agency. You can see because they have the pipe, right? And they're capitalizing things, the ... Nanaimo, or capitalizing, right? You can kind of tell it's been SEO'd, and don't worry, you'll be able to tell over time. But there are 10 results on a page. So when you learn about Google Search Console and position, it's about these 10 listings on a page. Now there's all this other stuff, right? So it's harder to figure out where people end up on Google.